And this is puri. So I'm going to pour the. Oh wow! Pani puri, samosas. Of course. Look at where we are. That's so amazing. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. How much?
150.
The rest?
Thank you. Always good.
Tastes good. Nothing better than walking in Dubai drinking chai.
Hot chai.
Hot chai. Woo. Today is like a perfect street.
Look at the boy from Ghana drinking tea.
Shut up.
Ghana boy.
I can drink tea.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So what did we have today?
We had chai
Yeah.
with Indian egg sandwich.
Yeah.
Then we had chicken biryani,
Yeah.
butter chicken, roti,
Oh yeah.
Pakistani tea.
Pakistani tea. Oh, that was very, very delicious. I had that. I'll try to see if I could post it on the video. That was very, very nice.
Then we had pani puri.
Pani puri. Oh my god. The amazing pani puri. We have a sweet one and a sour one as well.
And then I just bought some chai for a man on a bicycle for £1.50.
Amazing.
And now we're gonna look for jalebi.
Jalebi. What an amazing street tour. I mean street food tour. Oh my god. Jalebi is the last one. So we're hunting for jalebi now. Oh, this one. That's a private one, isn't it? So we're currently in the spicy ham. No. Thank you very much. Thank you. Wow. Wow, guys, they won't let you rest.
It must be hard work.
It must be very hard work, but it's very nice though, you know. Yeah, very, very nice, guys. It's a very jovial. Is that the right word? Humorous. Jalebi. Is that jalebi?
Yeah.
Is that jalebi, yeah? Oh.
Jalebi?
You wanna try? You wanna try jalebi?
Very nice.
Jalebi? Garu! Oh.
No money, no problem.
Sorry.
One bag?
Oh my goodness.
It's nice, yeah? Oh my god. Wow.
That's nice.
That's very nice.
Tea, Arabic special tea, very nice. This one tea. Very good.
Is that pani puri?
Pani puri, this one Arabic special tea. Very nice.
You want more pani puri?
Pani puri, very good. This one tea. This cup take away. Very nice. Zafran and badam.
I'll have
I'll
have more pani puri.
This one tea.
One tea.
One tea. No, Russia. No,
No, it's not. No.
That's good.
That's very good.
Pani puri.
Yeah?
Pani puri.
Pani puri, yeah.
Jalebi.
Spicy.
Do you like spice?
What for the pani puri?
Spicy.
Little.
Russia. Aaj yaar chai add
Don't go mad.
Yeah.
Ab allada spicy wandata.
No, it's sweet.
Why should it be hot?
Yeah,
Should it be hot?
slightly.
Okay.
Okay.
Isn't it?
No.
It's not. Wow. I watched the movie. What's the name of the lion? The lion? Garu. Pride. Indian movie. Good. Good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Pani Puri, yeah?
Okay, wait. You sit down here. Come. Sit down.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah?
Let's do it.
What are you going to have?
Pani puri,
Yeah.
chai,
Yeah.
jalebi.
Jalebi, yeah?
I have a bag of jalebi.
And here's jalebi. This is how it looks like. Oh guys, so we just in the spice. Is it spice soup? So we're in a spice soup, and then we just stopped to have an Arabic pani puri. Yeah, that's right. That's what it says. Yeah, it's pani puri. Yeah. So pani and a puri. Yeah. Yeah. Pani and puri. So the pani is the dough. The puri is the spice, I believe. If I'm wrong, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.
This one sweet water, this one hot water.
Okay.
Little, okay?
Little, okay?
Wait. Very nice.
Wow.
एक मिनट अभी आएगा उसको बोला ओके
1, 2, 3. It's good. It's good. Wow. This is far better than the first one.
That, you know, in my suggestion, you can drink a lemon or yogurt.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. You know.
Okay. Okay. You go.
Are you trying first time this one?
Second time.
Second
today.
time today.
Yeah.
This is Indian Pakistani.
Okay. You good? So, this is pani, this is puri, yeah?
No, the left is the pani.
Pani.
And this is the puri.
Okay, this is pani and this is puri. So I'm going to pour the pani into the puri.
I'm spicy, yeah?
That's spicy. The pani is very spicy. Now you go. Say the first last one. We live in England.
Oh,
England.
and madam from England.
Yeah.
Oh. We are Indian.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Nice to meet you. It's spicy. Oh my gosh. Guys, what a day. Now we have a saffron tea, Arabic tea in front of us. Amazing. Look at that. Look at the cafe. Very small cafe. This is what we have in the pani puri and saffron tea. So when you come, it's in a spice herb. So just look for the shop. You have amazing stuff. Look at the food here. I don't know what it is, but I think it's something of a vegetable something. Yeah. What is this?
It's pakora.
Pakora. Oh wow. This pakora, yeah? Wow.
170.
170. Wow. Very nice.
Pakora is nice.
So guys, make sure you come here. Make sure you come. Look at the food. Amazing. Jalebi, pani puri, pakora, samosas, everything. Look.
This wall shop.
Wall shop. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Buy jalebi, pani puri.
Arabic specialty.
Look, very good. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you. Tea was very good.
Okay,
Thank you.